Every time we open the center console storage compartments in our 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper, we notice the same problem: dust, crumbs, and dirt gathering at the bottom. The soft flocked lining may look premium, but once it gets dirty, cleaning becomes frustrating and time-consuming. A quick wipe is never enough. To solve this, we use these custom-fit black liners made from high-quality TPE material. Designed specifically for the 2026 Model Y Juniper, they fit perfectly into both the front and main center console storage compartments. Let's install the liner in the main storage compartment first. This one takes a bit more care. Follow the steps shown in the video, align it carefully, and press it into place. Once installed, it sits flush against the surface, protecting the interior and making cleanup much easier. Now let's move to the front storage compartment. This one is easier. Just place the liner in, and it drops right into position with no extra effort. It fits snugly and stays in place even during driving. Once both liners are installed, the inside of our center console looks neat, feels clean, and stays protected from future messes. To clean, simply lift the liners out, rinse them, and drop them back in. Tap the link in the description to get your set today, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more Tesla upgrades.